This is the time to find out today's best trade. At last, we have green day, and money is in the wallet. Let's check this out. Price broke the structure, and I marked as break of structure. So this is my supply zone. I have marked this the same. Let's watch the movement of the price. Price crossed the previous high, so I marked as market structure shift. And this is my demand zone. Now time to set up buy order, stop loss and profit target. Let's watch the movement of the price. Price hit my buy order and I am in the trade now. That's it, my profit target is hit and I am in green. This is the best trade. Always remember, don't trade without knowing your stop loss. As you can see, my stop loss was 2.5 points. Profit was 10.75 points and risk-reward ratio was 4.3. Hit that subscribe button faster than a high-frequency trader on caffeine. Smash the like button as if it owes you money. And share my videos like insider trading tips at a secret party. Let's turn the stock market into a comedy club, one subscribe at a time. Buckle up for more trading lessons. And laughs, it's a wild ride on the Profit Express.